Hi, Rohit. How are you today?
Hello, Aman. I am fine. How are you?
I am good too. How is your college life?
My college life is going well. I like my classes.
That's nice. Which subject do you like most?
I like English. What about you?
I like mathematics. It is interesting for me.
Do you have many friends in college?
Yes, I have some good friends. They are very helpful.
That's great. I also have friends, and we sit together in class.
Do you like your teachers?
Yes, my teachers are kind and helpful.
Same here. My English teacher explains very clearly.
Do you join any activities in college?
Yes, I joined a sports club. I play cricket.
Wow. I like cricket too, but I joined the music club.
That's nice. Can you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Very good. One day you can teach me guitar.
Sure, and you can teach me cricket.
Deal. We will help each other.
Do you study in the library sometimes?
Yes, I go to the library in the evening. It is quiet and peaceful.
I also like the library. Let's go together next time.
Good idea. We can study and share notes.
Yes, and after study we can have tea.
Perfect. College is more fun with friends.
Yes, true. Best friends make college life happy.